Hello everyone, stir-fried cabbage with vermicelli may seem like a simple home-cooked dish, but many people still struggle to get it right at home. It often ends up sticking to the pan or clumping together. So how do restaurants make it? Today, I'll teach you a few tricks to ensure your dish comes out fragrant and flavorful every time. It'll be delicious, not greasy, not clumpy, and won't stick to the pan. Let's take a look at how it's done. First, prepare a handful of authentic sweet potato vermicelli and cut the noodles into shorter lengths. Choosing the right vermicelli is already half the battle for this dish. Pour boiling water over the vermicelli to soak and soften them. Set them aside for later use. Prepare a head of green-stemmed cabbage and cut it in half. Then remove the hard core from the cabbage, as the core is tough and doesn't taste good. Next, slice the cabbage into thin shreds. After slicing, loosen the cabbage shreds. Place them in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Then pour in an appropriate amount of clean water. Mix well by hand and soak the cabbage in the light salt water for about 5 minutes. This helps effectively remove impurities and insect eggs. After soaking, rinse the cabbage thoroughly. Once washed, take it out and drain the water. Prepare a few scallions and cut them into sections. Separate the white and green parts of the scallions. Prepare 10 grams of ginger and slice it. After slicing, put it together with the white part of the scallions. Slice 3 cloves of garlic as well. Cut a few dried chili peppers into sections. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork and slice it. Then cut the slices into thin strips. Adding pork will make the dish more fragrant. After cutting, place it on a plate for later use. Our vermicelli has also finished soaking, so take it out and drain it for later use. Bring water to a boil in the pot. Add a spoonful of salt to enhance the base flavor. Then add the vermicelli and stir with a spatula to heat it more evenly. Once the vermicelli floats to the surface, it's ready. Pour it out and drain the water. Then put the vermicelli into a large bowl and add a little dark soy sauce for color. Mix well. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point and found it helpful, please give me a like with your lucky hands. Thank you for your support. Add a little more oil. This helps prevent the vermicelli from sticking together. This is the key to stir-frying vermicelli so it doesn't stick to the pan or clump up. Add a little oil to the pan. Add the shredded meat and stir-fry until fragrant and the oil is rendered. Add a little dark soy sauce. Stir-fry until brown. Then add scallions, ginger, garlic, and dried chili peppers and saute over low heat until fragrant. After stir-frying until fragrant, add the cabbage and stir-fry quickly over high heat until the cabbage is just cooked through. When stir-frying cabbage, be sure to use high heat. This will prevent the cabbage from releasing water and make it crisper. Stir-fry the cabbage until it softens. Then add the glass noodles and stir-fry evenly. Add a spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little white sugar, a spoonful of 13 spices to enhance the flavor, a little oyster sauce, a little bit of light soy sauce. Stir-fry everything evenly, making sure the seasonings dissolve and release their aroma. Keep stir-frying to bring out the wok's fragrance. Then add the chopped scallions and stir-fry until you can smell their fragrance. Alright, as you can see, the glass noodles aren't sticking to the pan or clumping together, and the color looks great. It looks really appetizing. Alright, let's plate it up. A simple and delicious stir-fried cabbage with glass noodles is ready. The cabbage is crisp and tasty, and the glass noodles are chewy, smooth, and not sticky. Just looking at it will make your mouth water. It's perfect with both rice and drinks. Once you learn this, your whole family will praise you as a master chef. If you like this dish too, be sure to save it and give it a try.